Horses out, we have How Did You Know? As to begin, moving up party out, so now is Skyline Pigeon, Stormtrooper, Alice Wonderland, and Gifted Champ pace the early trailer by about 6 to 7 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Skyline Pigeon by about 2 lengths. How Did You Know in second? Alice Wonderland is on the outside third. Then followed by Stormtrooper and Gifted Champ still racing in less. And that's still Skyline Pigeon by about 3/4 of a length. How Did You Know is running by the rail second. Alice Wonderland is racing in third. Stormtrooper and Gifted Champ. And that's still Skyline Pigeon by a length. How Did You Know? Alice Wonderland moving up on the outside to take second. Gifted Champ in fourth, and Stormtrooper is Skyline Pigeon this time by about 3/4 of a length. Alice Wonderland is on the outside second. Gifted Champ, How Did You Know? Stormtrooper as they come down at the last 150. We have Skyline Pigeon by about 2.5 lengths. Alice Wonderland is on the outside second. Stormtrooper, Gifted Champ, How Did You Know? Last 75 meters, we have Skyline Pigeon by about 3 lengths. And finally, Skyline Pigeon, Alice Wonderland, How Did You Know? Stormtrooper.
14 yung ating forecast na 5-4 ST.